this. What up, Poppin' Seeds? Good to see you. He said 245. See, that's what the micro business license here is. He said the LL Cool J felt like shit. Definitely was on some motherfucking bullshit back then, wasn't they? Shit. Yeah, bro said I noticed that pale leg girl. That's hilarious. I mean, obviously he think his footwork was on point.
The marijuana business is growing in Missouri. As promised, the state has awarded licenses to 48 micro businesses.
KBC 9's Dana 7 spoke with one of the owners who hit the marijuana sales lottery.
Missouri residents have grown accustomed to the sight of dispensaries like this on the corner throughout the state. There are about 200 and more are on the way. Demand for marijuana is high in the state of Missouri. Lots of money being made, and the state is now trying to keep its word by spreading the wealth by awarding 48 micro licenses.
The micro industry in itself was really conceived with the passing of the recreational bill. Essentially, it's its own encapsulated market.
1,600 people in the state of Missouri applied. 48 were picked through a lottery. License winners like Tango Hotel Charlie had to meet certain requirements, including having a net worth of under $250,000.
You've been incarcerated for a cannabis offense, for